Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today, the girls that I collaborate with decided we're going to go ahead and do New Year's nails. I've currently got a little ouchie on this finger, so I'm going to have to use it on my dominant hand, so please bear with me. Since I've been buying and getting a few polishes from Lee, since the last time I used this, number 65, I have fallen in love with because I stopped wearing most of the pink hard gel on my nails first, and this is a great color to like make a negative space, just brighten up your nail beds. The first time I had pink on, so you couldn't really see it, so I want to show you that again real quick. This is a gorgeous little, it's just a sheer pink color. I'm wanting to do something with that I did earlier in this year, and I'll link the video up here. Again, before I get started, make sure you visit the other ladies in the collaboration. I will put the link to our playlist in the pinned comment on the end screen at the end of the video and down there in the description box. Let me get my Lee 65 on, and I'll show you the difference between the two, what my nails look like before and after. Again, this is color 65. Sorry, I've already got my little flakies ready. This is what it looks like on my nails without it and with it. It just really enhances that natural color. I'm really falling for it. This is with 2 coats on versus nothing. I've only got 1 coat on because that's all I wanted for today. Let me get set up here real quick. What I'm using is the UN. I called them aluminum foil flakies. That's when I bought them. That's what they were called. They seem more like the gold leaf, silver leaf stuff. Like right here, I just used at Christmas. This was the one from Beauty Big Bang, and this is just a regular craft one that you can certainly use these on your nails. It came with a big set of colors. I'm just pulling out a few because I'm also going to try to put some Caviar beads on. And hopefully I've picked out a few colors that complement these. I'm going for a more minimalist approach to my New Year's nails on this hand. First, I'm thinking I'm gonna put a little SheModern on. I've already got them on my stamper. I am finding now that I have really long nails, putting them on the stamper has been working better for me. These are the water decals. I'll put it on my middle nail. I wasn't quite ready with my cleanup brush. This is dry right now. Just want to make sure they're laying flat. I forgot I've got a silicone tool. Where did that go? Forgot all about it. I've got aluminum flakies on this already. Haha. That's okay because that's what I'm going to do with it. Just pressing it in because this is the tacky layer of the gel. I haven't put any water. It was sitting here drying. So basically this is just like encapsulating it into hard gel or acrylic or whatever. And this might actually work to apply this flakies better this way. I'm trying severely not to touch the gel. It's okay that I've got the flakies on because that's what I want to do. I'm thinking to try this to pick them up this time. I wasn't sure what colors I want to use. Remind me not to use my ring finger. That's where the Caviar is going, I believe. This might not have been the best tool to pick up with or to place. We're going to do different colors on different nails. These are just making a mess. I guess this nail wants to be purple. You can use it in strings, whatever you want. I'm probably gonna have to brush off the excess, because we don't want to go around with hairy nails, do we? No. Oh, I'm making a mess. I don't want to, I'll do a little purple on this nail. This is more like how I intended to do it, but since I'm doing left hand versus right hand, it's a lot more difficult. Plus trying to film it for your enjoyment. It came with sponge applicators. That's what I did with last time. Let's get out a cuticle brush and just tap those off. I want caviar beads here, but I want purple too. We'll just do a little touch of purple. I wanted just to do the strings, but I got crazy again. It's like trying to write with your opposite hand that you normally write with. I'm not liking the decals on there. Since they're water decals, you can just remove. So now I've got to fill in that space. Ooh, I'm liking the silver. Could do a whole silver nail. Why didn't I think to just do silver? Okay, we might put caviar over top of that nail. I don't know. Top coat. That's what I did last time. And I could burnish it, or I had a friend also talking about I would use every color. So I'm going to try to use some more color on top and just see if this will layer pretty good. Got all the colors on this sponge nail. When you're filming, you don't often see the other side of your nail. Now I'm liking the full on chrome. I'm liking that all. Decisions to know when to stop. There's my SheModern decal. Wondered where that got off to. This is my intended look. These are some happy accidents that occurred. Now I've got to burnish them in a little bit. That's pretty cool. Don't worry about what's on your skin. It'll wash off after you top coat it in. That's pretty fun. Look. See, if I plan something, it does not come out as I planned. There's a little SheModern under there. Dust it off a little bit. There's a little hello SheModern. I'm not sure which one I like the best. I love this one. I know my little pets will hate that one. I like this one. I like this one. This one is pretty good. This is what I intended on doing. I intended on some gold too, but I don't have it out. And now I've got to put up all this mess and I've got to clean up everything. But in order to put my caviar on, I've got a top coat. Let me clean this up real quick here. Here were the other colors that were in the set as well. I used the pink and silver earlier this year. Again, I'll link the video up here if you want to see that, if you haven't already. Came in this cute little box. It's going right back. Oops, I got some green on here. As long as it's on your skin, it'll come off. Just don't get the gel on your skin. Wish my boo-boo didn't happen. I'm hoping this will calm down and I'll be able to do something on this hand. See how it goes right onto your nails? You don't have to have gel polish or regular polish on. I'll just wash them off in a minute. I still want to get some of these gorgeous caviar beads someone sent me. That's where my color inspiration came from today. Don't be doing this on your good furniture. And I'll show you how I stick caviar beads on. I've only worn it on my thumb for like a month before. I made a little necklace. I didn't film it. It's in some of my older videos. And I made a little necklace on my thumb. I could do that again for you if you would like. I'll probably do it on my Flexifinger because those are extremely difficult to do while filming. Just leave me a comment if you would like me to make a little necklace with caviar beads and gemstones. Just let me know. Before you place it back in. Now I haven't cured these yet. Remember that. Last time I attached caviar and I just picked them up with a pickup tool and dotted them on. This time I'm thinking to just pour some on. This is New Year's, right? I've got caviar everywhere, like confetti. I wonder if I could just pour these out. I should have cured my other nails first. I didn't. My bad. I wonder. Can't really see them. That's my bad. I've got to get these top coat cured in before I get any on my skin. See right there, if I would have cured that, it would have been on my skin. So we'll see how long that lasts. I'll show you a nail I did earlier this year on fake nails. I've still got it around, how well that holds. And see, so far they're not knocking off. So for me that works, but I'm going to try it on a manicure where you can see it a little bit better. I meant to leave that nail open, but I didn't. My bad. I'm sorry. Here's a nail from earlier this year I did with rose gold caviar. I just now knocked one off. It's been bumbling around in a little baggie here. It's still on there. It's holding very well. I can't pry it off. On my Flexifinger around a fake gem, I put caviar beads around it. It was a cool little nail art. And they stayed on. Every single one of them still there, just with a gel top coat. Well, I've got a mess to clean up now. And everyone, thank you for being here with me today. Hopefully I'll be able to get another design, but it probably won't upload till after New Year's when this little boo-boo goes down. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.